Auto loans are not thought of as simple, and a quick glance at the paperwork and the amounts of money that are involved can give anyone that impression. In spite of the documentation involved, it's actually a straightforward process. With auto loans, you're talking about the transfer of tens of thousands of dollars from one entity to another, namely you. This is done in exchange for a rather valuable piece of property, namely the car. So even though this is a straightforward process, you must have some information on hand to make that process go even more smoothly. Your credit scores, your annual credit report, your pay stubs, and a few years' worth of your tax returns. Your credit scores and annual credit report are available from the three big reporting bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. While there are other credit reporting companies, these are the ones most often relied upon by all financial institutions to return accurate credit information. While each company uses methods for calculating credit scores devised by the Fair Isaac Corporation, or FICO, each has its own proprietary adaptation of the FICO system. Therefore, getting your scores from all three bureaus is your best bet to know where you stand. Lenders will use all three too. Unlike your credit scores, which are simply numerical values calculated from your credit activity, your annual credit report provides details on all of your financial habits that don't involve the use of cash. Available from the credit reporting agencies as well as from annualcreditreport.com, your annual credit report can be obtained free of charge once per year. Additional requests will come with a nominal fee. Lenders will view your credit scores in order to get a quick glimpse of your credit standing, yet will use your credit report to get the big picture. Order your report before going to a lender and study it. It's well worth your time. In addition to your credit health, a lender will want to know your general financial condition. The usual sources are your pay stubs going back a few months. These are used as an indication of how stable your income is. The lender will then compare your income against the amount of debt you currently carry. But in the case of people who earn their income independently of a single regular employer, tax returns may be required in order to confirm that you have a steady source of income. Tax returns going back 3 or more years serve as a predictor of future income and the ability to pay off the loan. If you keep good records, you'll have those documents on hand. If you're not a good record keeper, your tax returns are available from your tax preparer or the IRS. Auto loans are a study in proof. Legal documents provide the proof everyone needs to establish an agreement for the exchange of money and property. Though there are many ways to establish proof of your credit health, nothing is as unshakable as your tax returns. Auto loans must meet a certain legal standard to make sure that all parties are safe from the complications of possible lawsuits or repossession. Keep it simple. Keep your records together, know your credit scores, and read your credit report. Having a handle on all your financial documents will help you get your next car. Federal Auto Loan. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.